Hello, today I want to make a video about on how to make a washable mop. And I like this O-cedar mop head because it's wide. So this is what I'm gonna use to make the pattern. So I attach two construction paper together. I connected it with tape to make to accommodate the size of the mop head. And so I'm gonna lay this mop like that to trace the shape of the cloth. For the cloth, I'm gonna use either a towel material or anything that's suitable for absorbing water and dirt. So here we go. I'm gonna trace. So now we have the shape of the mop, and on my next video I'm gonna add the sewing allowances to the paper pattern. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.